Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make a bracelet like this. There are a lot of possibilities. You can use a lot of different colors and different type of beads, and it can always end up looking very interesting. I'm using 5mm crystals and also a bigger crystal, but you don't need that if you use a regular clasp. Then also 2 colors of 2mm seed beads, a beading needle, and I like to use this 0.2mm nylon cord. I begin by picking up 25 seed beads. Then we want to slide them down to the end of our thread and make a knot. So we create a loop like this. If you're using a bead or a crystal as clasp, make sure that it fits through it. If you're using a regular clasp, you don't need to make it this big. Then I pass my needle through all beads to make it a little bit more sturdy. Check if it fits. Then I add 10 more seed beads because I want to have a small part before the actual bracelet starts, but you could also just skip this however you like. Next I pick up 6 seed beads and then my crystal. I hold my bracelet like this, and next I pass my needle down the first of the 6 seed beads we just added. Like this. Pull it tight. And now it should look like this. Then we go back through our crystal. And lastly through the bead on top. From left to right, because we want to continue in this direction. Then we pick up 6 seed beads again. And our crystal. Then we repeat and pass the needle through the first of the 6 seed beads. Back through the crystal. And the 1 bead on top, like this. I show it one more time. Down through the first bead, through the crystal, and through the first bead. Now repeat this as often as you need. At the end I will add a part like this again, so I don't make it too long. But yeah. So this is my bracelet so far, and next I add the bigger crystal. And after that, 1 more seed bead. Now we pass the needle through the crystal, skip the seed bead, and pull everything tight. This is the moment you can double check if the crystal fits through the loop and if the bracelet is long enough in general. Now I can continue, and I pass my needle through the bead on top of our crystal. Next I pick up 6 beads of my first color, 3 of my second color, and then 6 of my first color again. And then we pass the needle through the bead we just came out of. and the one after that. So this and this. From here we pick up 6 of our color A and then 3 of our color B, and that's it. Next, through all the light beads, make sure it's all 6. Then the one we just came out of, and again the one next to it. And we continue. 6 and 3 through all the light beads. The one we come out of and the one next to it. And that's what you repeat for the rest of the bracelet. Make sure you don't miss any bead or turn it around. It should be always in this S-curve. Here I'm at the end and I'm about to add the last section like usual. And this time I only go through the bead we come out of, not the next one. So just one. This time I go through all light beads and the 3 after it. So we come out of here. So first, and now through these. Pull it tight. Now I pick up one more dark pink bead and then pass the needle through the next 3 right here of the same color, because we're going to fill all the gaps between. Pick up a bead and through the next 3 right here. And that's simply what we continue now. Here, here, here. Everywhere in between we add a bead. I'm about to add my last bead. And then I go down a few beads right here. And I start to make a few knots. Create a loop. And then again, just weave it in and make a few knots, and then you can cut off the rest of the thread. You can also add some glue if you like. And this is my finished bracelet. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.